Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at a really cool product. Many of you guys know I do a lot of laser engraving, 3D printing, plus I have some, fur babies around the house, so there's always something to clean. This is a handheld 180,000 powerful fan. Okay, so we're going to unbox this. I'm going to show you guys everything that comes in the box. This is a super powerful fan. So if you are a laser engraver, 3D printer, and you're worried about all those little pieces of wood and acrylic and things that just get in everything, you need to blow it out. This could be exactly what you're looking for. We're going to take this over to the desk. I'm going to unbox it and show you guys everything that comes in the box. You ready? You're ready? Let's go. This has a super strong wind motor. This has your brushless motors, high capacity battery, lightweight design. Let's take a look at everything that comes in the box. So first things we're greeted with is going to be a variety of different brushes. Now these will come in handy. Don't just dismiss these because you're thinking, well, I got a blower, I don't need brushes. Trust me guys, these brushes really come in handy for getting into a lot of those little nooks and crannies and being able to get things out. Yes, the brushes are a plus, and you get a variety of different types of brushes. Now you also receive some different little spouts. Now this is very, very helpful. So these little spouts, what they're going to allow you to do is to change out the directional force of the fan. So as you guys can see here, we have a variety of different type of spouts, including this one here that you would use like to blow up a ball. So you get all of those in your bundle. You also receive a USB-C to USB-A cable for charging. Let's take a look at the actual device. So as you guys can see, it comes in this really nice little felt bag, and you can probably put all of your other accessories in this same bag for travel. So let's pull this guy out. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So this is the actual unit. Now what's unique about this is that you can use this as a blower or a vacuum. So these little connectors actually fit in on both sides. So if you wanted to vacuum something, then you would attach this to the silver side. If you want to blow something, then you will attach it to the solid black side. So that's really nice that it has, that feature built into it. And then to switch these out, you just rotate them around and then lock them in place like so. Now, the standard spout that most of us will probably use for blowing out a lot of debris and stuff like that, it's going to be this longer one. But again, this can also be used as a vacuum. Now here on the back, you have your USB-C connecting input here for charging. You have your power button, and you have your switch here for intensity. So let's go ahead and power this guy on. And it's going to give you a battery indicator. As you guys can see there, we have 90% power. Now you guys can see this box is here on my desk. I'm going to go ahead and turn this guy on just so you can see how much power this thing will generate. Now you can adjust the amount of power. You can bring it from 1 to 3 all the way up to 8. So it is very, very powerful, guys. This is a powerful little fan. So if you are removing ice off of your windows, or perhaps leaves or dust or debris, and these little brushes can't get it for you, I'm telling you guys, this fan will definitely blow that debris away. Very compact, hand size. You could even use this, ladies and guys, to blow dry your hair. If you're out on a camping trip and you want to quickly blow dry your hair after getting, out of the lake or the pond or something like that, that's going to come in handy for this unit as well. So definitely take a look at it, guys. I think this is going to be a great product with a lot of accessories. So let's bring all of our accessories back out here so you guys can see all of them. So we get all of these little spouts. As I showed you guys here before, you get the different spouts. You get a variety of different brushes with this bundle. And I didn't take out all of the brushes. Let me show you guys all of the different little brushes that come with this. So you even get some of these little macro brushes for really getting into some of those small areas. This little brush here has like little finger grooves where you can get down inside of things. Really nice design. You got your cable, you have your pouch for, you know, putting everything in. Yeah, to me, guys, as a laser engraver, 3D printer, photographer, for maybe cleaning some of my gear when I'm on location, this is a win. So yeah, I am very impressed with this product, and I think many of you guys will be just as equally impressed with this product as well. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I will catch you all in the next video, and hopefully this video has been helpful. If nothing else, it's been entertaining. I'll see you all in the next one. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.